Hi, I'm Molly with West Virginia University Extension Service Family Nutrition Program, and today we're going to make a strawberry smoothie. It's always a good idea before you start cooking to read through your recipe and get all your ingredients together. You want to make sure if you're using fresh fruits or vegetables that you rinse them under running water, wash your hands, and clean your cooking surface. I've just done all that, so I'm ready to get started. For this recipe, you need frozen unsweetened strawberries, frozen sliced peaches, low-fat or fat-free milk, a little bit of orange juice, low-fat or fat-free vanilla yogurt, and a blender. Now, the great thing about smoothies is that there really are no rules. You can use different flavored yogurts, you can use different fruits. It really is up to you how you do your smoothie. And if you are unable to find certain frozen fruits in your grocery store, you can always make your own frozen fruits. If you use canned fruits, you want to make sure that you find canned peaches, or if you're using pineapple or something else, that it's canned in juice or water, and then just freeze it on a cookie sheet and then store it in a Ziploc bag. Okay, I'm ready to get started. So I've pre-measured my milk, and this is 1% or fat-free milk. You want to watch your fat content with that. Add that to the blender. And then we've got our yogurt. I'm using low-fat vanilla yogurt, and again, you could use strawberry, you could use blueberry, any flavor you want would be good. And I'm just gonna kind of eyeball this because smoothie making is not rocket science. If it's too thin, add some more of something. If it's too thick, add something to thin it out. So I am gonna add about a cup of our yogurt. And then I'm gonna add my fruit. We've got sliced peaches, about a cup and a half, and then a cup and a half of our unsweetened frozen strawberries, and you do want to look for unsweetened. If you try this and you taste it and it's too tart, depending on whether you buy your own fruit and freeze it and it's in season and perfectly sweetened, or you've got frozen fruit and maybe it's not as sweet as you like it, you can always add a little touch of sugar, but definitely taste it first before you go overboard with that. Now, this recipe does not have ice in it because the frozen fruit kind of is gonna add that iciness that you know and love in a smoothie. Turn this on, and I'm going to start it. I can tell this is a little bit thick, so I am gonna add just a splash of orange juice in so that it is drinkable and pourable. And again, if you don't have orange juice, you could always add a little bit more milk. If you have pineapple juice or another kind of juice you want to use, you could do that. And I'm just gonna pulse this real quick. And that's gonna thin it out, and now we're ready to try it. Doesn't this look delicious? Full of calcium and all the vitamins and minerals from the different fruits we used. It is so good. And that orange juice added a little bit of sweetness, so I really don't need to add any additional sugar to this smoothie. I hope you give our strawberry smoothie recipe a try. And if you don't have strawberries and peaches on hand, Bananas, blueberries, any fruits you have are going to give you a great tasting and refreshing and healthy smoothie. We'll see you again real soon.